Hello friends, welcome to Flour and Food, an Italian journey. Today I want to share with you a very popular recipe. It's a traditional Roman dish, la pasta alla carbonara. So let's start cooking. Okay friends, and here we are. These are our ingredients that we need. Parmigiano cheese, pecorino cheese, pasta. I picked penne. You can choose any kind of pasta you like. You can use spaghetti, penne, whatever kind. Then eggs, guanciale, and black pepper. All right, so let's start. I cut the guanciale. I cut it nice and thick because when we're going to cook it now, we want it to be crunchy on the outside, but moist in the inside. Put it in a low flame so the fat starts to melt. We are going to drain the fat that melted from our guanciale. And that we're going to save, and we're going to save it for after. See, it started to change the color. I'm going to drain it again, and our pancetta is cooked. Gonna turn it off now and put it aside. Okay, in the meanwhile, while we are preparing our eggs for la carbonara, I already put the water for the pasta to boil. 1 yolk for each person. One tablespoon of Parmigiano. 3. 1 and 2. Many only use pecorino. I prefer to use a little bit of more Parmesan, but it's because I like it. Okay, the fat we drained before from il guanciale, we are going to put a little bit in our eggs. While we're boiling our water after, I'm going to put a little bit of the water that we are using to cook the pasta. We're going to add it to the eggs. But one small note, before, when you add the water, you have to add it before you add the salt, because we already have plenty of cheese, and then it's going to be too salty. So do that before you add the salt to the pasta, to the water for the pasta. Okay, the water for the pasta started to boil. Now we're going to add it to our eggs. A little bit at a time. We don't want to cook the eggs. Eggs on top of a boiling pan of water, and I'm going to cook the eggs. You have to be very careful, so you don't want to cook them. We've got to make a cream. Okay, and we're going to start putting the pasta. Look how creamy that pasta is. More Parmesan cheese. We're going to add our guanciale. Pasta alla carbonara. And here, friend, is our dish with pasta alla carbonara. I hope you like my recipe, and if you do, give me thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye. Ciao ciao, arrivederci, alla prossima!